So again, what we want to do here is to be able to update to the latest minor and patch version of this, but stick with the version 3 for the major. Now what you see over here is a range selector for a version. We see a tilde and then the 3.0.3. And so how do we figure out what this means exactly and which range we change this to in order to get what we want? Well, there's a great page that outlines this. It's at github.com/npm/node-semver. So if you scroll down here under the ranges section, this is where we're going to find that information. Reading through this might be a good idea at some point, but we'll just take a brief look at what's here. So first we have comparison operators like less than, greater than, or equals. And this would almost work for us, except it doesn't allow us to specify the major version. So for example, we could say greater than or equal to version 3.0.3, but if a version 4.0.0 came out, it would upgrade to that if we ran update. So let's scroll down. Pre-release tags. This is something that we don't need to know about right now, and pre-release identifiers. So down here in the advanced range syntax is what we want. So first it gives us an example of hyphen ranges. And these look a little bit more complex than they are because this equal sign here is really just a way of saying that this range is the same as saying this. So if we did 1.2.3 hyphen 2.3.4, then that would be the latest version within this range. And another way to write that is greater than or equal to 1.2.3, as well as less than or equal to 2.3.4. So this is something that we could use, and we could just set a very high number for the minor version and the patch version, but it's better to use the X ranges here. If we scroll down, we can learn more about these. So this says that if we use an uppercase or lowercase x or an asterisk, we can stand it in for one of the numbers. So for example, if we use just one of those symbols, it would equal to the latest version of it, the latest major, minor, and patch version. If, however, we specified a minor version as an X or an asterisk, then it would be the latest minor version within this major version. So anything below 2.0.0, but the highest above 1.0.0. So this is what we're looking for. So if we go back to our .json file inside of our editor, we could change this here. Now the tilde, we can learn more about real quick if we want to know if we actually want to get rid of it. You can see here tilde ranges. So it says it allows patch level changes if a minor version is specified on the comparator, allows minor level changes if not. So for example, we could use a tilde 1.2 here, and you see that it's the same as 1.2.x. If we use a tilde 1, it's the same as 1.x. So it actually looks like we have a couple options. We could use a tilde and then a 3, or we could do 3.x. So either one is good, but I find that a dot asterisk seems to be more conventional outside of semantic versioning, so I'm going to use that version. So we'll change this to 3.asterisk and we'll save it.